You've probably already heard that coconut oil is great for your skin and hair. Coconuts are rich in nutrients and minerals, making them very versatile. Its water, milk, oil, sugar and flesh can all be used in several different ways. But when it comes to your beauty routine, coconut milk can work wonders. You're probably wondering why coconut milk is so good for your hair and skin. Since it contains fatty acids, coconut milk is a great natural antiseptic and can be used to treat dandruff, moisturize your skin, help heal infections and wounds, cure dry skin and itchiness, and even help smooth wrinkles and other signs of aging. It also works just as well as coconut oil when it comes to treating damaged hair. Here are some of coconut milk's best benefits. It prevents premature aging and moisturizes your skin. As we mentioned before, coconut milk is a great natural moisturizer that can help clean your pores, reduce sebum, prevent age spots, and smooth sagging and wrinkles. To obtain these benefits, you just have to make a face mask that calls for 1/2 cup coconut milk, 1 tablespoon of honey and 3 drops of eucalyptus essential oil. Once the ingredients are all mixed together, apply the mask to your face or other desired areas with a clean cotton pad. Let the mask dry for 10 minutes and then rinse your face with warm water. This will help your skin stay hydrated and look years younger. But first, always perform an allergy test. Apply a small amount of the mixture to your skin. If you don't notice any allergic reactions, then you're free to use the face mask safely. It also cleanses, moisturizes and stimulates hair growth. Coconut milk can be used to treat dry, damaged hair, and an irritated or itchy scalp, and also to stimulate your hair follicles and promote hair growth. You'll need 1 cup of unsweetened coconut milk, refrigerated overnight. In the morning, separate your hair into several sections and apply the coconut milk to each one, going from the root to the ends of your hair. Put on a shower cap and let it sit for 20 minutes, then wash your hair as usual. This is an excellent treatment to treat dry, damaged hair, and even split ends. Now, after learning all of these incredible recipes, you must be wondering how you can make coconut milk at home. Here's what you do. Ingredients: 1 cup of grated or minced coconut flesh, 5 cups of hot water. Instructions: boil the water. Once it starts to boil, turn off the heat and add the grated coconut. Let the water sit for 15 minutes. Once the time is up, blend the mixture and then strain it through a cloth strainer. If you want your milk to be more concentrated, try again with less water and double the original amount of coconut. The remainder of the coconut pulp can be used in recipes or even dried in the oven. Store your coconut milk in a closed bottle in the refrigerator for up to 3 days. Have you tried this before? Also check the description below to find more tips and remedies. Please give a like for this video and subscribe for a channel for more tips and product reviews.